Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into GoHighLevel, the software that's been making waves, especially among agencies and business owners. Whether you're looking for a powerful CRM or a white label platform to grow your business, GoHighLevel has a lot to offer. By the end of this video, you'll know what GoHighLevel is, who it's best for, how it can be used as both a CRM and a white label solution, its most powerful features, and step-by-step instructions to get started with a free trial. Let's get into it. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform designed to help agencies and businesses streamline their operations. It offers tools for managing leads, automating marketing campaigns, tracking results, and communicating with customers, all from one dashboard. You can use GoHighLevel in two primary ways. First, as a white label solution for agencies. Agencies can rebrand GoHighLevel as their own software, providing their clients with a powerful CRM under their own name. It's like licensing the software for your brand. Second, as a CRM for businesses. If you're a small business owner, GoHighLevel serves as your comprehensive CRM for managing customer interactions, automating sales processes, and analyzing results. Whichever way you choose to use it, GoHighLevel helps you save time, reduce manual tasks, and grow your business efficiently. You might be wondering why someone would white label a CRM instead of just using GoHighLevel directly. The answer is simple: customization and ownership. Agencies can offer a personalized experience for their clients, tailoring the software to fit the specific needs of different industries. You also get to set your own pricing and build a recurring revenue stream by charging clients a subscription fee. Think of it as offering your own SaaS product without having to build one from scratch. GoHighLevel's workflow automation tools allow you to create powerful sequences that handle repetitive tasks. You can automatically follow up with leads through text, email, or voicemail, trigger campaigns based on user actions, and send personalized messages to improve conversion rates. For example, if a customer opens an email but doesn't respond, GoHighLevel can automatically send them a follow-up text message.
Number one, anything that has to do with automation. Now, as we can see here, we can create a workflow which would make our life a lot easier as we don't have to manually do a lot of the tasks. So if we click on create workflow, we can create one from scratch, or we can scroll through different ones that are available through the GoHighLevel platform already. And for example, if we go for the birthday template, this workflow would help us send out different birthday promotions so we don't have to manually do it. However, if we do select the make it from scratch option, a lot of the tasks that we used to do in the past manually, we can now be automated. With this, we can create a different sets of triggers. So when a certain action is completed, that sends the signal for the next action to occur. So an example can be whenever a person opens up an email, a text can be sent out to that specific customer. Now,
when it comes to reporting and analytics, GoHighLevel provides detailed campaign reports for platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Attribution reports show what's driving sales, and customizable dashboards allow you to focus on the metrics that matter most. This makes it easy to make data-driven decisions and optimize campaigns for better results.
Now, the second feature that we're going to cover is going to be reporting. As we can see here, GoHighLevel has provided some sample reports out here for us that we can click through. And this ranges from Google Ads to Facebook Ads to even attribution reports. And as we scroll down, we can actually see exact details on how the specific campaign went, how many clicks it had, how much it cost, and how much revenue it was able to generate for our business. Now, the beauty of these reports is that they're highly customizable. So that way we can tailor the reports to show us information that we really want.
And communication is also simplified through GoHighLevel. The platform integrates SMS, email, phone calls, and social media messaging, bringing all your channels into one place. This is perfect for maintaining effective customer communication without switching between apps.
And the third core feature that we're going to go through is going to be the communication with your customers. Since GoHighLevel is a white label CRM, the amount of integrations that it has is insane. And through those integrations, ranging from Zapier to Twilio to email, we can combine all of those into one place to allow effective communication with us and our customers. And if you guys are struggling to find a tool that works for you, there are many different apps that can integrate with GoHighLevel that you can use that you can find on their app marketplace. In the upcoming videos, we'll be diving much deeper into various features that GoHighLevel offers. We're also going to show you guys how to perform certain technical tasks on the platform. Now, if you're interested in setting up our own GoHighLevel account, make sure to click on the exclusive link down below, which will grant you 14-day free trial.
Now that you're excited about GoHighLevel, let's go through how to get started. First, click the exclusive link in the description to start your 14-day free trial. Enter your basic information, including your name, company name, and email. Provide your payment information to activate your account, but don't worry, you won't be charged until your trial ends. Once logged in, you'll be asked about your business type, industry, and the number of customers you have. GoHighLevel will recommend tailored features for your needs, and you can integrate other software you're already using, like Google Ads, Facebook, or Twilio. If you're using GoHighLevel as an agency, it's time to create sub-accounts for your clients. Navigate to the agency dashboard, click Add Account, and enter your client's business details. From here, you can manage all your clients' campaigns in one place. Finally, make the platform your own by adding your logo and brand colors, customizing reports for easier tracking, and setting up automations to save time and boost efficiency.
Now, once we click on the link, this screen should pop up. So once you guys are ready, click on the 14-day free trial. From there, you're going to be able to enter your company name, your name, again, and email address if you guys have one. Then it should bring you to step 2, where you'll be able to enter your financial information. And once that has been entered in, feel free to press start your 14-day free trial. Now, you should see this page pop up. That's going to walk you through and ask if you guys want GoHighLevel to pay to set up your account. You don't have to do that. So feel free to scroll all the way down and press no thanks. Click here to get started. And then it's going to ask you about the basic information regarding your business. So which industry you're in, how many customers you have, if you have a website, your address. And then remember about all the integrations we talked about. It's actually going to ask you which softwares you already use, so it can help make the process seamless. Then go ahead and go through the verification process, and you'll have to do the exact same thing for your mobile number. And since I've already used my personal cell number, I'm going to use an alternative number for the mobile verification. Then you just got to enter it in here. And once that's verified, you should have access to your agency dashboard. And from there, you can create sub-accounts to switch between the agency and the CRM settings.
And that's it. You now have a solid understanding of what GoHighLevel is, how it works, and how to get started. Whether you're looking to use it as a white-labeled SaaS solution or a CRM for your business, GoHighLevel's automation, reporting, and communication tools are designed to help you grow. If you have any questions or want more detailed tutorials on GoHighLevel features, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Ready to get started? Click the link below for your free trial and see what GoHighLevel can do for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.